In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Venture key fob. Replacing your battery at home is super easy to do. Anyone can do it. The only things you'll need are a regular coin, something like a quarter or a nickel will work best, and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to an Amazon listing where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. Now, one thing to note here is that there are a couple different button layouts of this device. You can see I have the 3-button version. There's a 2-button version that doesn't have this button on the bottom. And then there's a 4 and 5-button version that have buttons on the sides here. If you have one of those, you'll know what I'm talking about. It doesn't matter which one you have. It's the same device. The process to open it is the same, and the battery that they take is the same as well. So you can follow along with this video, and we'll get a new battery in your device in no time. So go ahead and grab your coin and look on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the key ring attaches. You can see there's that opening there. Mine is a little bit damaged because I've done this dozens of times. But what you want to do is just insert your coin in there and twist. It does take quite a bit of force to get this thing open. It's kind of just a weird design for whatever reason, or I don't know, maybe yours is a little bit looser than mine. But the first or second time you're doing this, you shouldn't damage it. Just take your time. What you want to do is just hold the device loosely. Don't push down so that you're making it more difficult to open. Just hold it gently. Insert the coin in and twist. And as you can see, it takes quite a bit of force, but this thing will pop open for you. And really, that's the hard part. Now we have access to the battery, and getting it out is very easy. So just take something like a flathead screwdriver or even a pen or pencil or a paper clip. We just want something that can fit in one of these little openings so that we can just pry the battery up. So with this flathead, I'm actually going in and I'm using kind of the corner of the tool to get under the battery and just pull it up gently, and it will pop out of there for you. Once you have your battery free, you can dispose of your old one. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032. And when you're putting it in, you want the positive side to be facing down. So flip that thing over, snap it down with the positive side facing down. And all we need to do now is just take these two halves and click them back together. So just line it up and squeeze. And just like that, you have a new battery in your device and you are good to go. I hope that video helped you out. If it did, feel free to let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. We love to see that we're helping you guys out. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here. We've got you covered with video tutorials for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.